Good morning, everyone.
Morning, Miss.
Morning,
Morning,
Miss.
Okay. How are you today? Are you good?
I'm great, Miss. Thank you. How about you?
I'm good. I'm good.
Nice. I'm great. I'm very happy to see you today. And I hope all of you are healthy and ready to learn. Oke, sebelum kita mulai pembelajaran hari ini, let's pray together. Pray begin. Amin. Okay. Thank you. All right, now let me check your attendance first. Is everybody here today?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, Miss. Great job. All right. My name is Nisa Sahnia, and today I will be your English teacher. Today we are going to learn introducing myself. By the end of this lesson, kalian akan bisa memperkenalkan diri menggunakan bahasa Inggris dengan lebih percaya diri. So, are you ready to learn English today?
Yes,
Ready, Miss?
Miss.
Excellent. Okay. Before we start, let's look at our learning objectives. Today, you will learn how to introduce yourself in English, and you will also learn some useful expressions, practice a dialogue with your brain, and at the end of the lesson, you will introduce yourself in front of the class. Jadi, target kita hari ini bukan hanya mengetahui materinya, tapi kalian juga berani berbicara menggunakan bahasa Inggris. Don't worry if you make mistakes because making mistake is part of learning, ya. Okay. Class, I have a question. Have you ever met a new friend?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, Miss.
Yes? Okay.
Yes.
What did you say when you met your new friend?
We introduce
Uh,
ourselves.
My friend asked my name is.
Okay,
we eat
very good.
together.
Okay, nice one. Okay, now imagine this. Today is your first day at new school. You don't know anyone, you don't know anybody, and you meet a new classmate. What will you say first? Apa yang bakal kalian katakan pertama-tama?
Greeting, Miss? Like, hello, maybe?
Yes, good job. Excellent. Usually we say hello or good morning, and then you can say your name, tell them your name, like my name is, or nice to meet you. Nah, hari ini kita akan belajar bagaimana memperkenalkan diri dengan baik menggunakan ekspresi-ekspresi tersebut. Nah, now let's learn some useful expressions. Nah, di sini ada beberapa ekspresi ketika kita ingin berkenalan. Oke. Nanti ketika saya mengucapkan kata ini, kalian mengulang ya. Jadi, please repeat after me. Oke? Okay. The first
Okay,
word,
Miss.
is good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Oke, good morning. Ada yang tahu artinya apa?
Selamat pagi,
Selamat
Miss.
pagi.
Selamat pagi, betul sekali. And then the second one, hello.
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 Artinya apa?
Halo.
Hello.
Halo.
Hai.
Sapaan?
Excellent. And then my name is.
My name is...
Nama saya
My
Miss.
name is.
Yes. Artinya nama saya. And then nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Artinya apa nice to meet you?
Senang bertemu dengan
Senang bertemu dengan Anda.
Wonderful, excellent. Nah, kalau ingin bertanya nama seseorang, kita bisa mengatakan kayak, what's your name?
What's your name?
What's your name?
Oke, artinya?
Siapa nama
Siapa
kamu?
namamu?
Good job. And then, where do you live?
Where do
Where
you
do you
live?
live?
Artinya?
Di mana
Di
kamu
mana kamu
tinggal?
tinggal?
Okay. And then the last word is, what are your hobbies?
What are your hobbies?
Are
What are your hobbies?
Artinya?
Apa
Apa
aja
hobimu?
hobimu?
Okay, good job guys. Excellent pronunciation dan excellent untuk jawaban dari artinya. Jangan lupa ya, pronunciation juga penting supaya lawan bicara kita itu mudah memahami apa yang kita katakan. Seperti itu. Okay, next. Let's move to grammar. We use simple present tense because we are talking about facts. For example, like, my name is Nisa, I live in Bogor, and I study at senior high school, and then I like reading books. Seperti itu, simple kan? Nah, kalau kalian ingin mengatakan hobi, tinggal gunakan I like bla bla bla. Kemudian diikuti dengan aktivitasnya. Contohnya kayak she likes English, and then I like singing, I like cooking, I like playing football, seperti itu. Okay. Can anyone make another example dari simple present tense ini?
I want to try, Miss.
Okay. Go ahead.
I like playing football.
I like playing football. Okay. What if the subject kita ubah menjadi she?
She likes playing football.
Great job. She likes playing football. Excellent. Okay, sudah mengerti? Kita lanjut ke reading text. Before we practice speaking, let's read a short text first. Okay, please look at the text on the screen. This text is about someone's identify or self-introduction. Okay, I will read the text aloud. Please listen carefully and pay attention to the pronunciation. Karena setelah saya baca, nanti saya akan memberikan kesempatan kepada kalian untuk membaca ulang. Seperti itu. Okay. Listen carefully. Hello everyone, my name is Sarina Putri. I am 16 years old. I live in Bogor with my parents and my younger brother. I am a student at Pakuan Senior High School. My favorite subjects are English and biology because I enjoy learning new things. In my free time, I like reading novels, listening to music, and riding my bicycle. My dream is to become a doctor and help many people. I am friendly and hardworking person. I like making new friends and working in a team. I believe that learning English will help me communicate with people from different countries. Thank you. Okay, now it's your turn. Ada yang mau coba baca reading text-nya?
Saya mau coba, Miss.
Okay, Muslimin, go ahead.
Hello everyone. My name is Rina Putri. I am 16 years old. I live in Bogor with my parents and my younger brother. I'm a student at Pakuan Senior High School. My favorite subjects are English and biology because I enjoy learning new things. In my free time, I like reading novels, listening to music, and riding my bicycle. My dream is to become a doctor and help many people. I am a friendly and hardworking person. I like making new friends and working in a team. I believe that learning English will help me communicate with people from different countries. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Muslimin. That's good pronunciation. Now let's check our understanding. Tadi kita sudah baca ya bahkan 2 kali. Nah, Miss mau tahu sejauh mana pemahaman kalian terhadap teks ini. Okay. The first question is, who is the person in the text? Ada yang mau jawab?
Awan, Miss.
Okay, Abdurrahfi.
The person in the text is Rina Putri, Miss.
Yes, great job, Rina Putri. Karena di sini dia mengatakan namanya ya. My name is Rina Putri. And then next, how old is she?
She is 16 years old.
Very good. Di sini ada ya, berarti sudah jelas nih kalimatnya. I am 16 years old, which means she is 16 years old. Very good, Wisnu. And then next question, where does she live?
She live in Bogor, Miss?
She live in Bogor, correct. And then, what is her hobby?
Her hobby is reading novels, listening to music, and riding bicycle.
Excellent. Sudah jelas ya di sini dia menjelaskan kalau dia lagi free time, dia suka membaca novel, listening to music, and riding her bicycle. Oke, nah, kelas, dari teks tadi kita bisa melihat informasi apa saja yang biasanya ada dalam sebuah self introduction. Nah, let's identify them together. Tadi di teks tersebut ada apa aja? Ada nama, terus ada
Umur,
umur, and then
tempat tinggal,
tempat tinggal or hometown, and then
Hobbies,
hobbies,
her family,
her family,
and
Her
her dream.
dream.
her dream. Great job. These are the important points when we introduce ourselves. So later you will use the same information to introduce yourself ya. Nah, di sini kalau kalian melihat ada kata yang di bold atau kata yang ditebalkan, Miss mau tahu apakah kalian bisa mengartikan kata ini? Ada yang bisa?
Saya, Miss, mau coba.
Oke, Abdurrahfi silahkan. Yang pertama ada younger. Younger artinya apa?
Younger itu artinya lebih muda, Miss.
Okay, good job. And then the second word is favorite. Artinya apa? Ayo.
Aku Miss.
Oke,
Artinya
Wisnu.
kesukaan.
Betul. And then ada dream. Dream artinya apa?
Miss.
Oke, Alaya.
It means cita-cita atau mimpi.
Okay, good job. Excellent. And then the next is friendly. Friendly apa artinya? Anyone?
Ramah, Miss?
Ramah, betul sekali. Dan yang terakhir ada hardworking. Hardworking artinya apa?
Rajin atau pekerja keras.
Good job, rajin atau pekerja keras. Nah, ini kan kata dari yang Miss kasih. Ada nggak dari kalian yang nemu, tapi kalian sudah tahu artinya dari teks ini? Satu kata atau 2 kata?
Saya Miss.
Oke, Wisnu.
Country. Artinya negara.
Betul sekali. Excellent. Good job. Ada lagi yang lain?
Saya, Miss.
Oke, Abdurrahfi.
Dokter, artinya dokter.
Okay, good job. Thank you for your answer, guys. Okay, next. Nah, before introducing ourselves individually, let's practice with a partner first. Now, please look at the dialogue. Imagine that you are meeting a new friend for the first time. Okay, use the dialogue as your guide, but don't just read it. Try to speak naturally. Nah, gunakan ekspresi dan intonasi yang baik ya. Oke. Siapa yang mau coba 2 orang buat mempraktikkan ini?
Saya mau coba, Miss.
Oke, Abdurrafi with who?
Anyone?
Sama saya, Miss.
Oke, boleh. Nanti tinggal
But
diubah aja nama.
I replace Sinta name. I pakai nama saya, Miss.
Oke, boleh. Oke, go ahead, your turn.
Okay, I will go first, Muslimin. Okay. Good morning. My name is Andy. What's your name?
Good morning. My name is Muslimin.
Oh, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
So, where do you live?
I live in Bogor. How about you?
Oh, I see. I live in Cianjur.
What are your hobbies?
I like playing football. What about you?
I like reading books.
That's great.
It was nice talking to you.
Yeah, nice to meet you too. See you around.
See you.
Okay, good job. That's good conversation and expression. Excellent work, everyone. Okay. Now, it's time for the real challenge. You already read a self introduction. You already practiced with your partner. So now I want you to introduce yourself. And then remember to mention name, age, school, hometown, family, and hobbies. Don't worry about making mistakes. Just try your best, okay? Now, who wants to be the first volunteer?
Okay, you want to try this?
Okay, Muslimin, go ahead. Your turn.
Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Muslimin Nasution. I am 16 years old. I study in University of Indraprastha PGRI in 6th semester, and I'm from South Jakarta, Tanjung Barat, and I live far away from my family. I only live with my friends, and my hobby is playing chess. Thank you.
Okay, good pronunciations and I like your confidence. Who wants to be the second volunteer?
Saya Miss.
Okay, yes now. Go ahead, your turn.
Okay, good morning everyone.
Okay, good morning.
My name is Wisnu. I am 14 years old. I come from a small and peaceful town in Indonesia. I am currently a junior high school student. I live with my family, including my parents and my siblings. My hobbies is fishing with my father.
Okay.
Thank you, everyone.
Okay, thank you, Isnu. That's good introduce. Okay, tadi yang pertama ada Muslimin, yang kedua ada Wisnu, dan dua-duanya itu sudah lengkap, ada nama, ada umur, and then school, hometown, family, and hobbies. Dari sini Miss sudah melihat bahwa kalian sudah paham. Excellent. Okay, guys, before we finish, let's reflect. What expressions did we learn today? Tadi kita sudah belajar beberapa ekspresi. Ada yang masih ingat ekspresinya apa aja? Ada apa aja, ayo.
Name,
Aku lupa, Miss.
Oke, lupa. Raffi, inget gak Raffi? Ekspresinya ada apa aja?
Pertama ada greeting Miss, seperti good morning atau
Oke.
halo.
Yes. Okay, good job, good job. Muslimin tadi apa jawabannya?
name, Miss.
Name. Okay. Okay, that's good. Okay. Very good. So, can you introduce yourself in English now? I hope your answer is yes, yeah? And then remember, the more you practice speaking, the better your English will be. So, today we learn how to introduce ourselves in English. We learn greetings, useful expressions, and we practice speaking. Okay, guys, I'm very proud of all of you because you were brave enough to speak English today. And then keep practicing at home. Practice makes perfect. And then thank you for your participation today. See you next meeting and have a nice day. Goodbye, everyone.
Thank you,
for
Miss.
Have a nice day
Yeah.
Thank you so much.